Hello and welcome. In today's video we are going to be removing the Renault Koleos H45 door panel. To start off, we'll remove the inner door mirror cover, which is over here. It comes out, you can pull it off quite easily. The clips on the inside can break and you'd want these white clips to be actually on the cover. So the one over there that's still on the door itself, you'd want to remove and put onto the cover. Next, on the door open handle, there'll be a little cover over here, and underneath there'll be a 10mm bolt we will need to remove. The door pull handle, from the bottom there's an opening, and then you'll need to pull this off. Gently, do not just yank it, detach it as you go. Underneath this, there will be two Torx screws, one to the bottom of the door pull handle and one to the top. Remove both of these screws. Next, we're going to remove the window switch from the sides and then towards the front. Pull the window switch up. The front has a clip over there, that's why you need to remove it from the front as well. And then unplug the window switch by pressing onto this part over here. Next, we are going to remove the courtesy light to the bottom. You can also remove this switch and this courtesy light when the door panel is off, but I like to do them before. And then unplug the courtesy light. Next, with your hands just from the side, pull the door handle out from the bottom first. There are clips on the inside, keep in mind these can break, generally they don't. And then when you pull the bottom out, you will need to slide the door panel up to detach it from the window sill, because it slides down. And then you can detach the door open handle cable like so. One tip, if there's any of the clips, which are these clips over here, these orange and white ones, you'd want these to be not on the door itself but on the door panel here like this. So if there's any clips left on the door, remove them and then slide them onto the door panel. This makes refitting much more easier. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.